Want to stand out on YouTube with a unique avatar that truly represents your brand? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create both static and dynamic, movable avatars. If you're wondering what I mean, a static avatar is like the one I'm using right now, while a movable avatar is one that animates, moves, and even speaks like this. Whether you're aiming for a clean, professional look or a lively, interactive character, by the end of this video, you'll have a fully customized avatar that enhances your YouTube presence and makes your content more engaging. Let's dive in. Alright, let's begin by creating a static avatar. The first step in this process is generating an avatar image. To do this, we'll use Leonardo AI, one of the best image generators available. To create a high-quality YouTube-style avatar, we'll use a special prompt that I personally use to generate my avatar, the one you're seeing right now. I've included this prompt in the description, so you can use it as a base and make adjustments to fit your style. For example, if you want a male avatar instead of a female, simply change that in the prompt. You can also customize the outfit, colors, and any other details to match your brand. Once you've made your adjustments, copy the prompt and head over to the image generator. Click the link in the description to access the Leonardo AI website. Sign up using your Google account, and once you're in the workspace, follow these steps. Set the model to full dev model. This ensures your avatar is high quality and ultra-realistic. Choose the style and set it to dynamic for a more polished look. Select the image size, go for desktop size, which fits YouTube's dimensions perfectly. Paste your prompt into the text box and hit generate. Now, just wait a moment, and here's the result. Wow! Look at this, high quality, realistic, and studio-like. I'm really impressed. If you love the result, go ahead and download it. But if it's not quite what you want, just keep generating until you find the perfect one. Trust me, you'll get something amazing. I'll be using this image for my static avatar, and I also found another one that I'll use for my dynamic, movable avatar later on. Now that we have our avatar image, let's move on to the voiceover. If you're planning to use your own voice, you can simply record it, just make sure it's clear and high quality for the best results. However, if you prefer to use a text-to-speech AI voice, I recommend Luvvoice, the tool I personally use for my voiceovers. It's free and delivers realistic, high-quality voices. Here's how to generate your voiceover using Luvvoice. Click the link in the description to access the Luvvoice platform. Copy your script and paste it into the text box. Select the voice type from the drop-down menu. You can choose male, female, child, or whatever fits your avatar. Hit the generate button and wait a moment for the AI to process your voiceover. Download the generated voice file once it's ready. And that's it. Now that we have our avatar image and voiceover, it's time to bring it to life by making it talk. To do this, we'll use HeyGen AI, one of the best tools for generating talking avatar videos. Here's how to do it step by step. Click the link in the description to access HeyGen. Click Get Started for free and sign up with your Google account. Answer a short questionnaire, and once you're in, head to the workspace. On the left side, click Create a Video, then select Avatar Video and choose Landscape Video for the best format. Now, let's upload our avatar. Click Create New Avatar, then select Custom Photo Avatar. Upload the avatar image you generated earlier. Click Continue and fill in your avatar's details, name, gender, and age. Click Continue again and wait for the system to validate your avatar. Once the image is validated, let's add the voiceover. Drag your avatar image onto the timeline. Delete the default script that appears automatically. Click Add Script and upload your voiceover audio. Hit Submit, give your video a name, and submit again. Now, just wait a few minutes while HeyGen generates your talking avatar video. And here it is. Want to stand out on YouTube with a unique avatar that truly represents your brand? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create both static and dynamic, movable avatars. If you're wondering what I mean, a static avatar is like the one I'm using right now, while a movable avatar is one that animates, moves, and even speaks like this. Wow! The lip syncing, eye movement, and facial expressions are incredibly realistic. It looks like a real person talking in a studio. Now that we've completed the static avatar, let's dive into the exciting part, creating a dynamic, movable avatar. This will make your avatar more expressive and engaging, perfect for YouTube content. To bring our avatar to life, we'll use Hailuo AI, one of the best AI-powered video generators available. Here's how. Click the link in the description, which will take you to Hailuo AI. Sign up using your Google account. Once inside, navigate to Create Video on the left side and select Image to Video. Upload your avatar image. Now, we need to make it move. Use the special AI prompt I provided in the description. You can adjust it to fit your needs, for example, change gestures or expressions. Paste the prompt, hit generate, and wait for the magic to happen. Here's the result. Wow! Look at how the avatar is now animated, moving hands, and expressing naturally. It looks so realistic. So to make your avatar's movements flow naturally across multiple clips, follow this trick. Download the first generated video. Play the video on full screen. Go to the last second of the video and take a screenshot of that exact moment. Save the screenshot as an image. Go back to Hailuo AI, upload the screenshot, use the same prompt, and generate the next clip. Let's check out the second clip. Awesome! Now we have a seamless transition between movements, making it feel like one continuous animation. Now, let's add voice to our animated avatar using Kling AI, a powerful tool for syncing audio with video. Click the link in the description to access Kling AI. Sign up using your Google account. Go to AI videos on the left and select lip sync. Upload your first video clip. Upload your audio file, trim it if needed, and then hit generate. Wait for the AI to process the sync. Here's the final result. While a movable avatar is one that animates, moves, and even speaks like this. See how smoothly the lips match the voice? It looks incredibly natural. Repeat this process for all your clips. Now that we have all our clips, let's put them together using CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all clips and arrange them in order. There's a watermark on the video, so let's hide it. Go to Effects, add Blur Effect. In Effect Settings, choose Mask and select Rectangle Mask. Adjust the mask to cover the watermark completely. Here's the final preview. While a movable avatar is one that animates, moves, and even speaks like this. Whether you're aiming for a clean, professional look or a lively, interactive character. Looks great, right? But wait, notice how my clips don't align perfectly? Here's why. When taking a screenshot for the next clip, make sure to do it after applying lip sync, not just after generating the raw animation. That way, the transition will be smoother. Finally, AI-generated results aren't always perfect. Some attempts may not look great, while others will turn out amazing. For example, I tried making my avatar stand up and walk. The first result was weird, but after tweaking, I got a great result. So keep experimenting, adjust prompts, test different settings, and refine your results until you're happy with them. I hope this guide helps you create your own amazing avatars. If you found this useful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I'd love to help. Keep innovating, and see you in the next video.